recording this cause why not. So yeah, we literally are not in that phase of our life that was literally crucial. So well done guys, and well done to me too. We faced a lot in that particular moment of time, but we are literally, this phase of life is, I don't know, best, but yeah, at least we can chill without thinking about the future and about the past. We can literally be in the present and we can only chill. So let's come to the point that, yeah, you guys have a lot of questions like how was your paper and how many marks are you getting. So the thing is, I'm not getting selected this year too, and am I regretting it? No, I'm not. Because I know that I worked my ass off. I don't give a damn about what people are going to say about me. I'm not giving a damn to my parents what they are going to think about me. I know my parents and they know me, and they supported me in everything, and I know they are going to support me in this too. एंड बाकी लोगों के बारे में मुझे वैसे भी फ़र्क पड़ता नहीं, तो मुझे पड़ भी नहीं रहा है, लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर. बाकी am I going to take a drop again, or I'm going to do some courses? So if you guys have asked me from the very first video of mine, you guys already know that in that video I already told that yeah, this was my last attempt, and after that I'm not going to drop because my parents won't let me do this. But I'm thinking to take a drop because, see, when the whole universe, and I am not saying that my exam went wrong and something, no. When the whole universe tries to pull you down, it's your job. When the whole universe tries to put you down, it's your job to be a phoenix. And I'm going to be a phoenix, and I know my potential, and I know you guys too that you have the potential to do so. And if you are thinking that yes, I have the potential to do so, then do it. Do it without thinking about anyone and anything. No one is yours, it's you and you only. It's you and your career. Decide what you like, and not do some courses that your soul is not willing to do so. I am not going to do any of the courses. I know if someone is like, someone will force me to do, yeah, do this course, do this, I am not going to do so. Sorry. Okay, if I am not getting selected this year too, I mean the upcoming year, I will take a drop again and I will do this thing again, because I know a lot of people doing their graduation, and after graduation they have to take drops and for jobs, for goddamn jobs. So will I why will I do something that I'm not willing to do so? I will do what I like. I will do this. I'm not getting bored by doing physics and chemistry and biology of class 11th 12th. I'm sorry. So what I was saying that, yeah, if you guys think that yeah, I can do it, then go for it, and don't think about anyone. Like, don't think about anyone. I'm including your parents too. Don't think about them too, because I noticed something, that if you are not yours, no one will. So be your constant supporter. I created this channel because I wanted to communicate with some people who are like literally like me. So that's why I am telling you guys, if you have potential, do. I am going to do so. I know this is my third drop, and it is going to be really tough. I'm starting from now, and I hope you guys are too. And please don't ask how many marks are you getting and all. You are not going to do anything with my marks, and I'm not going to do anything with your marks. So don't be that so-called nosy auntie asking about marks of everyone. Like, I'm not comfortable telling my marks, and I hope you are too not sharing your marks to me. Yeah, I'm not getting selected. I am from a category, a so-called category called unreserved. So I'm not getting selected this year. That doesn't mean I have to like I will regret 2 or 3 months. I'll cry about it. No, I can make things better. So I will focus on making things better, and I will not cry. I cried a lot, and yeah, this time is for doing something and not about crying. So yeah, this is me signing out, and from now only you are going to see a lot of me, so subscribe.